folks, welcome back to the channel. If you're not currently a subscriber, we hope to earn your subscription today. To our current subscribers, thank you very much. The channel could not continue to grow without you. We're here today looking at the METAL HOBi Trommel. This unit was acquired by PNWSTE member Kyle. He was kind enough to bring it along with him today and let us see it and talk with us a little bit about this wonderful piece of equipment. This is much better than the RC model design. It takes the material here and it don't matter how much, it just feeds it.
Just keeps going, man.
Like you're feeding it, I mean, you're scooping as fast as you can right now.
Yep.
This thing is a beast.
This is nice material,
Golly, I like this, man. This is good. I thought the RC model design, I thought they had a good one. This thing just wallops on it. So Kyle, what are your thoughts on this this METAL HOBi Trommel?
I think it kicks ass.
Right on. I do have to concur. I think it's the best processing machine I've seen for trommel design yet.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Can't go too fast because then you will overload it. Jam again? I did. Ow! I barely even. Just when you order it, it takes some time to get here right now.
Yeah, not just time to get here, but a lot of time to put together too. Man, that's the bee's knees right there. I'm loving that. You cannot feed that thing fast enough. You're right.
Unload fast enough.
Yeah, right?
Gotta keep up with it.
I mean, and plus, let me look.
Right, that went through the machine.
Yeah. That is awesome.
It won't fit through that hole. Oh, okay, so that's all the older version. Yeah, I got it. Really, the sorting you can do.
Holy shit.
You keep unloading, no worries.
Yeah. He said, just make it happen. You're doing good. Don't quit now.
Oh yeah, we're gonna.
Look at that pile, man.
We're losing it out the back. We just stockpile.
Right?
For the first
Stockpile all day and run
and then
till.
we gotta come and run the last half of the day.
Yeah, it won't even take half the day. Stockpile 3/4 of the day, run for 1/4 of the day.
Yeah.
Then do I cut out the spot where the wheels sit and have a normal axle base, the wheel axle base. I can cut out the internal area where that wheel go. Yep.
wrong gear.
What the hell were they talking about when they didn't want me parking over there? They're gonna pit over here, and I'm like, that's fine.
What?
It's okay. Luckily they didn't. Nobody even came out and did it.
Anywhere down there on that pile there, you fine. Yeah,
If you want to have
long stretch there, just that.